Welcome, in front of me is a Nubia Pad 3D, and today I will show you how we can go through the setup process of this device. So, when you boot it up for the very first time, you should be presented with a screen that looks exactly like this one, where you get to select your desired language from the drop-down list right here. I'll be sticking with English. We can select Start, which takes us to the Wi-Fi connection page. You have the option to set it up offline right here. By going with this option, you won't be able to sign into your Google account, and additionally, date and time might not be selected or set up correctly and automatically. I will be actually proceeding with this. You can see this list right here. So signing into your Google account, restore apps and data, and get software updates, and automatically set up a time and date. So this is everything that you'd get by connecting to your network. So here's the date and time. The device assumes that it's not correct, which it isn't, but I'm just gonna ignore it right now. Then we have Google services like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. If you don't want these, you can actually turn them all off, as you can see, and select accept from the bottom, and this will take us to the next page, which allows us to select some kind of screen lock to our device. I will select password, which allows me to choose between PIN, pattern, or password. I'm gonna select pattern. Select next, or repeat the pattern, confirm, and now I have a pattern set. So you can go to the next page, which presents us with some privacy policy. Now you can tap on this blue text to read the entire thing, because this isn't obviously the entire thing that you're agreeing to. From there, select accept. Next, we have some 3D AI experience enabled by Leia face tracking. So this is associated with the actual 3D capability of this device, and unlike my initial expectations, this is actually showing you some 3D things that actually look 3D, which is very surprising considering you don't need glasses for this. It just tracks your eyes and displays it based on the position of your face. So anyway, we're going to select accept. Obviously you bought this device for this purpose probably, so you might as well allow it to work. Then set up your Nubia Pad 3D, so you're all set. Welcome to whatever, and there we go. Now, last thing is just gonna give us some basic information about navigation. So there we go. Now, one more thing that I'm going to mention, without internet connection, most of these applications that are associated with the 3D capabilities and like the App Store that is associated with that won't be available to you. So if you try to open up something, as you can see, it gives you the message right here. So you do need to connect to some kind of network for most of these to actually function. But in any case, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.